So today's objective when working out was to move my body. So I decided I wasn't going to run a lot. I made sure to walk at a 3.5 miles per hour pace, and I added some incline, which is something I don't like to do often, but I know it really strengthens my legs. So I just moved my body. Could come and listen and then... Morning. How do we feel?
We feel.
It's time to get jacked.
What time is it?
5:25.
Oh, I gotta go. I find that workout classes are very motivating because there's a bunch of people around me who are hitting certain speeds, and so I feel a little competitive and I want to push myself too. I like to shower at my workout classes, especially if I won't be going home right away because I don't want to sit in all my sweatiness. I then drove out of Hollywood and drove to my closest Erewhon. Erewhon is a fancy grocery store, even fancier than Whole Foods, and I'm not sure how much more organic we can get than organic, but their prices are inflated due to the quality of their food being so high. I got a coconut cloud smoothie, which was very reminiscent to my 5 a.m. morning routine days of drinking a blue magic smoothie. Smoothie time with Maya. So yesterday my freezer decided to stop working and then everything inside melted. All my frozen fruit I had to toss. So I need to go buy groceries to make smoothies, but this is just very convenient but also very expensive. It's a compostable straw, don't worry. I feel like if I just buy all of the ingredients, it'll be a little more than this smoothie, but I can make so many more smoothies. Also, okay, there we go. This protein powder was on sale at Erewhon. I didn't even know Erewhon had sales on anything. I have seen this all over TikTok, and so I wanted to try a new vegan protein powder. Apparently this is really good, especially if you feel bloated after you take protein powder. This one is supposed to be really good for your digestive system. Sponsored content! So this video is sponsored by Seaweed, and today's lunch is going to be inspired by them. I'm going to make some steak and pair it with the seaweed salad. I could literally eat seaweed salad, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's one of my favorite things to eat. This brand also produces the roasted seaweed snack at Costco under the name Kirkland, which many of you probably know what I'm talking about. The raw materials are made by the Seaweed Snack Company, and they mailed this over to me. They actually gave me 4 bags, which is very generous. They also have a bunch of other seaweed snack items on Amazon, and I'll make sure to link everything below, but check out Seaweed. Okay, let's make our lunch. I'm just gonna have some real quick. So make sure to click my link below and check out the Seaweed Snack brand, which you can also find on Amazon. I say you on a Target run and you come back with this?
This is a different type of surf and turf.
Good morning. My husband already left my side, his side. I am carpooling with a few friends, so I need to go out and meet them. Oh, 6:22. This is definitely a morning where I am just rushing out the door. Not ideal, but gotta make it to a workout. Okay, today is the day that we are going to try the new protein powder. Here we go. Erewhon does not have any returns, so if I don't like it, I just have to eat it all anyway. Smells very chocolatey. Kind of like Cocoa Puffs? Yes. We're gonna go with that. Okie dokie, almond milk. Already, it feels very light and soft. It's not as dense, it's very airy. Cheers! It does taste a little chalky, just a little bit. Flavor-wise, I give it a 6 out of 10. I do feel like it's very light, not very heavy in terms of protein powders. Overall, 7 out of 10. I like that it's not too sweet either. So today in the workout class, our instructor mentioned to not say words like just or only. Like it's only whatever, or I just, or it's just, but just saying it like it is. So I actually refurnished my entire apartment, but I'm trying to wait to make a whole video about it. But because I have a lot more free time, I have joined a women's Bible study at my church, and we are reading this book called Becoming a Titus 2 Woman. And we also have homework. I haven't had homework in such a long time. First part of my homework, there's also prayers for our husband, if you have one, or prayers for wife and a mom, prayers for children. Okay, chapter 1. Write a paragraph describing what you believe to be the role of the Christian woman. So being a believer and being a woman, God was maturing this author in 3 ways: through doctrine, character, and ministry for him. Women, we are called to teach and encourage younger women, and that is certainly something I want to do, or I hope I am doing. Make a list of priorities in your life. For lunch today, I kept it very simple. I made a tomato meat sauce, and then I added my ravioli with vegan cheese. Then I threw on some nutritional yeast right on top. It's 6 o'clock. I am feeling extra tired today from all of my workouts. I slept at 10:30 yesterday. This is one of my favorite eyebrow pencils in the world. It is in shade 810. It is Chanel, and I like it better than Anastasia. My mom got it for me in March, and since then I have bought 3 more. That's all I have left, so I have to go buy another one. I already filled in my brows. I just like it because it stays on all day long. Even if you just like rub it, you might see a little bit on your hand, but it stays put. Even when I went swimming, it was fantastic. I have a lunch date with another YouTuber, so I'm going to just finish getting ready and head out the door. Alrighty, I am going to downtown LA. I rarely go out there because of how congested the city is. And there are so many one-way streets that if you make just one wrong turn, it'll take you an extra 10 minutes just to get to where you started. So here's to hoping I do not make a mistake. Finally back home, I'm going to start recording a few other videos I have planned for you guys. But thank you so much for joining me on a whole week of me waking up early and just what my mornings have been looking like lately. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!